Work from home day as an auto body estimator. So part of my job is in the field. I drive around to body shops or customers' houses to write their estimate on their damaged vehicle. On days that I work from home, I either have a portion of that day scheduled to work from home, or sometimes it just works out where you have enough desk work that you need a full work from home day. Today is one of those days. I have a full day of desk work that I have to accomplish. So what I do is I make a list of what I need to do, and then I just cross it off one by one. This stuff is just as important as the field work because it's how shops get their payment oftentimes, or if a shop has a supplement, which means there was additional damage found after disassembly, we owe for that. Most times. Sometimes you don't owe. But my job is to go through the estimate, ensure that there's a photo of the additional damage and an invoice to correspond to make sure that they did purchase the part. There can be a lot of fraud in this industry, so it's my job to double, triple check this. It's very tedious. It's a lot of details. It's a lot of numbers. There's a lot more science that goes into estimating than people realize. But I take the shop's estimate on a supplement. I highlight what they've requested as the additional. I go through, double check pricing and double check the invoices that they provided me, make sure everything checks out. If it does, I add it to my estimate here on the computer system, and then we would essentially pay them and move on. So that's what I'm doing today. It can get crazy and chaotic, and you have to stay on task because these are lengthy. You are deciphering, is this needed? Is it required? Did they provide you the documentation? So there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So right now I'm just going through this paperwork, making sure everything matches up with what they've asked for versus what they've given me. So I put everything in the system and then just go through and make sure that it all jives. And then if so, I'll pay them and they'll be happy. So that's a portion of a day in the life of an auto body estimator. Field days tend to be more fun because you're out driving in the world and you're going to meet with a customer, which I prefer talking to and meeting with people. But these days are necessary, and it is also fulfilling when you get to check off more of your boxes. So that's what it looks like when I work from home.